Welcome to another free home workout video. Let's go. Keep your core tight and your back straight as you extend those arms. Really feel the burn in the triceps. You're doing great, keep going. Halfway there. Rest. Get ready. Keep rotating those shoulders and breathe through the movement. Let's pick up the pace, you've got this. Halfway there. Rest. Next up is tricep kickbacks to further sculpt the back of the arms. Get ready. Let's go.
Continuous repetitions of the kickback movement help in burning arm fat effectively.
Halfway there. Get ready. Let's go.
Keeping the elbows close to the head maximizes the effectiveness of this exercise.
Halfway there. Halfway there. Rest. Next up, plates in and out to engage the shoulders and upper back. Get ready. Avoiding dropping the arms ensures the muscles stay under constant tension. Keep pushing through that burn, you're doing great. Halfway there. Rest. Get ready. Let's go.
Continue alternating the standing arm crosses. Maintain a steady, relaxed tempo and keep the movements smooth and controlled.
Halfway there. Last one. Keeping a flat back is essential for safety and muscle engagement in this pose. Halfway there. Halfway there. Congratulations, you did it.
Word of every triphylters, watch to the end to increase success.
You need to do 3 sets for maximum fat burn. Make sure you stay consistent and push yourselves. 30 seconds on, 10-second rests. Standing arms and back. The countdown is starting now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Halfway there. Almost there, team. Keep pushing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. And release. Rest. Get ready.
Alternating punches are used to elevate the heart rate while sculpting the upper body. Let's go. Maintaining a steady pace during punches ensures maximum efficiency for fat burning.
Keep pushing. Stay focused. Woo. Halfway there. Rest. Get ready. Ready. Slow and controlled movements during the kickback maximize muscle engagement. Halfway there. Halfway there. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1. All right, first up, alternate tricep extensions. Keep that core tight and breathe through the movement. Let's go. Catch your breath during this rest period. The timer's almost up. Get ready. Next up, we have alternating punches. Halfway there. All right, team, last 5 seconds. Punch it out. Really feel that burn in the arms and back. Don't quit now. All right, team, take a deep breath during this rest phase. Next up, we have the overhead triceps extension. Grab your weights and get ready. Halfway there. Keep that rhythm going. Power through these last few reps. We are almost at the finish line. Stay strong. Keep resting. Next exercise is plates in and out. Get ready and begin. Extend out and squeeze in. Halfway there. Finish the plates in and out exercise, maintaining constant tension in the arms. Keep breathing through this rest. Next up is the standing arm cross. Let's get ready to stretch. Let's go. Halfway there. Almost there, team. Keep those movements controlled. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Last one. Halfway there. 5 more seconds, team. Push through. Keep that core tight. Finish strong. Congratulations, you did it. You completed the 5-minute arm and back routine. Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Keep your core engaged and extend fully at the top. Alternate smoothly. You got this. Keep pushing through. Keep that right arm strong as you bend the left elbow back. Feel that stretch in the tricep. Now switch sides, extend the left and bend the right. You got this? All right, finishing up this first set of tricep extensions. Maintain that tension. We have 10 seconds left on the clock. 5 more seconds. And release.
Relax your shoulders and breathe deeply. We're getting ready for the next set of cardio.
Next up, alternating punches. Jab, cross, jab, cross. Keep that core tight and extend through the punch. Power up. Halfway there. Tricep kickbacks. Bend at the waist, extend your arms straight back. Now squeeze at the top of the movement. Bring it back to the waist and repeat. Halfway there. Halfway there. Halfway there. All right, team, last 12 seconds right here. Keep the posture upright. Control that movement in and out. Make sure you alternate which arm is on top each time. Left over right, now switch, right over left. Keep it up. 10 seconds rest, team. Catch your breath. Next up is the bent over double arm swing. Let's finish strong. Last one. Keep your torso hinged at 45 degrees. Initiate the swing by pulling back, squeezing the shoulder blades, and then control the release forward. Halfway there. Halfway there.
Great job today! You did it! Way to finish strong! Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.